Good evening, folks. Doing challenge for Nancy. This is for the Lonzo Ball Prizms graded. Winners getting both. Challenge. Live. Oh, come on. Why did my mouse decide to go funny? Here it is. Now what's going on? The mouse got possessed. We got Luke. Luke to bots. It's going to be longer than I thought. Luke to bots into the randomizer 8:55 PM local time. Luke on top, bots at the bottom, dice roller, 2 dice, no snake eyes. We got 8 times. Looking for the first one to get the both. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Lindsay on top. One more time at 8:56. Congrats to spot 5. It's Lindsay picking it up. We had to go 8 times. Did go 8 times. Verification code at the bottom and Lindsay on top. Congrats, spot 5. Challenge complete.